You know, some places just get left behind. Time moves on and they just sit here waiting.
And you wonder who lived here, who laughed here, who sat on that swing.
Here we go. Let's see what's inside after 40 years.
And you wonder, did Grandpa sit here every evening? Did he watch the sunset from this spot?
A little girl lived here. She left in a hurry one day and never came back for her shoe. This was someone's home, someone's whole life right here.
Gotta be careful here. This wood hasn't held weight in 40 years. Don't want to become part of the debris. Each room a different life, a different story, a different dream that ended. Week 1, we start taking out everything that can't be saved.
Every piece of damaged plaster has to go. Every rotten lath has to be removed. Every piece of damaged plaster has to go. Every rotten lath has to be removed. Strip it down to the studs, start fresh, start clean. Look at this pile. This is 40 years of neglect coming out.
Week 2, now we rebuild what was lost.
This beam will hold this house for another 100 years.
Every nail, every strike, every beam is a promise to this house. New floor, new beginning under our feet.
Walls go up next.
Measure twice, cut once. That's the rule. 16 inches on center. 16 inches. All right, making the cut.
Air nailers make this part fast, but you still have to be precise.
Closing in the walls, making rooms again.
The roof is the most important part. It protects everything else.
Up here where the sun hits, we give this house its hat. Layer by layer, we close the sky out.
Cedar shingles, warm and beautiful, just like it would have been in 1920.
Windows are the eyes of the house.
These old frames can be restored. Sometimes you don't always replace. Level, plumb, square, the way it should be.
Look at that light. Look at that view coming in now. Now we make her beautiful again.
Every piece of rotten wood has to go. No shortcuts.
Fresh wood, fresh start, fresh protection. Paint is protection and beauty together.
White farmhouse, classic American, that's what she always was meant to be. The details matter, the corners matter, the edges matter. Shutters frame the windows, give the house eyebrows and personality.
The porch is where life happens.
Get this old rot out of here, start fresh. This porch will hold rocking chairs again, will hold morning coffee again. Safe for children, safe for grandchildren, safe for everyone.
Inside is where people live.
Color on walls makes it a home. Hardwood floors like it would have had in 1920. The trim finishes it, makes it look like someone cared.
The heart of the home.
This stove was here in 1950. It will be here in 2050. Okay, let's get these cabinets up. Level's good. Screws are in. Now for the countertop. This kitchen is almost ready for making meals again. Running water in this house again for the first time in 40 years.
The last details, the final touches. Light, where there was darkness.
The front door opens again, welcomes again. Room by room, piece by piece, nail by nail, we brought it back. The floors, the walls, every detail tells a story of revival. The kitchen, reborn. This is the heart of the home, renewed.
16 weeks of work and she's alive again.
From ruin
To restoration.
These hands did this. These hands can do anything with enough love. Let's go inside. Each room a different life, a different dream beginning.
Grandpa has his porch back.
The house is settling down for the night, like it used to. These stairs don't creak anymore, they're safe for little feet. This is why we restore, not for views, not for money, but for this. The old family and the new family, together on this mantle. A new little girl lives here now. She has her own shoes. They make breakfast here every morning now. Coffee in that pot, eggs on that stove, just like before. Every detail matters, every piece has a place.
A little girl sleeping, dreaming in a room that was empty for 40 years.
You know, every board we replaced, every window we fixed, every nail we hammered, it was worth it.
They're making memories here now, new ones that will last. New day, new life, new beginning.
Subscribe and come with me on the next rescue.
From ruin to restoration.
A light in the darkness where there was none before. Thank you for watching. Thank you for caring.